Hey everyone, I'm Mr. English, and welcome to Mr. English TV. Let's learn English today.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Today we have a more advanced lesson for you. If you already know phrases like "what's up" and "no worries," this lesson is the next step.
We are going to look at 10 phrases that native speakers use every day. But these ones are a little more sophisticated. You will hear them in deeper conversations, at work, and in more serious situations.
As always, we are going to explain each phrase and then act it out so you can hear exactly how it sounds in a real conversation.
If you are at a B1 or B2 level, this lesson is for you. Let's get into it. Phrase 1. I was just about to...
Okay, so the first phrase we are looking at today is I was just about to...
I love this one because it sounds so natural and native speakers use it constantly.
So I was just about to means something was going to happen very soon, almost at that exact moment. You were seconds away from doing it.
The structure is, I was just about to, plus a verb. For example, I was just about to call you, or I was just about to leave.
It is also a great phrase for those moments when the timing is perfect, like someone calls you right when you were going to call them.
Okay, let's act it out. Imagine Lucy is about to leave the office and I call her.
Right, I think that is everything.
Lucy, hey, are you still at the office?
Tom, I was just about to leave actually. What's going on?
Oh, perfect timing. Can you check something on my desk before you go?
Sure, I was just about to walk past it anyway. What am I looking for?
I was just about to leave. It means one more minute and I would have been gone.
Use this when the timing of something is very close. It makes your English sound much more fluid and natural.
Phrase 2, it's not really my thing. Phrase number 2, it's not really my thing.
So this phrase means, I don't particularly enjoy this, or this is not something I am interested in. It is a very polite and soft way to say you don't like something.
And that is what makes it so useful. Instead of saying, I hate that, or I don't like that, which can sound a little rude, you say, it's not really my thing. It is honest, but still kind.
You can use it for activities, food, music, films, almost anything.
For this one, I am going to invite Lucy to something she is not very excited about. Hey Lucy, a few of us are going to a heavy metal concert on Friday. Do you want to come?
Oh, heavy metal? Honestly, it's not really my thing. I find it a bit too loud for me.
Fair enough. What kind of music do you like?
I'm more into jazz and acoustic stuff. That is more my kind of thing.
Totally different. No worries, maybe next time.
It's not really my thing. Polite, honest, and very natural. No one is offended and the conversation stays friendly.
You can also flip it and say, that's more my kind of thing, like Lucy did there. To say, yes, I enjoy that. Phrase 3, now that you mention it.
Phrase number 3, now that you mention it.
Oh, this is a great one. So we use this phrase when someone says something and it suddenly reminds you of something, or makes you think of something you had not considered before.
It is like someone switches a light on in your brain. Before they spoke, you were not thinking about it. But now that they said it, yes, you remember or you agree.
The structure is simple. Now that you mention it, and then you add your thought.
Okay, for this one, Tom and I are talking about a colleague at work.
Have you noticed that James has been really quiet in meetings lately?
Now that you mention it, yes. He used to talk so much and now he barely says anything.
I wondered if something was wrong.
Now that you mention it, he did seem a little distracted last week too. Maybe we should check in with him.
Good idea. I am glad you noticed it too. Now that you mention it, use it when someone's words suddenly trigger a thought or a memory you were not thinking about before.
It also shows the other person that you are really listening and engaging with what they said. It is great for deeper conversations.
Phrase 4, I can't quite put my finger on it. Phrase number 4, and this is one of my favorites, I can't quite put my finger on it.
This is such a useful phrase. So it means you know something is different or something is wrong or something is familiar, but you cannot exactly explain what it is. You cannot find the exact words.
It is that feeling when you know something, but you just cannot name it. Like, I know this actor, but I cannot remember his name. Or, something feels different today, but I don't know what.
It is a very expressive and very native-sounding phrase. For this one, I have changed something and Tom needs to figure out what.
Lucy, something is different in here. I can't quite put my finger on it.
Really? Look around.
Is it the plants? Did you move the plants?
No, keep looking.
I can't quite put my finger on it. But something is definitely different. New furniture?
Tom, I cut my hair.
Your hair. That is what it is. It looks great.
I can't quite put my finger on it. Use it when you sense something, but you cannot identify exactly what it is.
It is also useful when describing a feeling, a taste, or a memory that you cannot quite explain.
Phrase 5. That's a fair point. Phrase number 5. That's a fair point.
So this means, what you said is reasonable, and I understand your argument. I may not completely agree, but I can see why you think that.
It is a brilliant phrase for discussions and debates. It shows you are open-minded and that you are actually listening to the other person.
In English-speaking work environments especially, this phrase is very valued. It keeps conversations respectful even when people disagree.
For this one, Tom and I have a small disagreement about something. Tom, I think we should push the meeting to next week. We are not fully prepared yet.
I hear you, but the client is already expecting us on Thursday. Changing it last minute might look unprofessional.
That's a fair point. I hadn't thought about it from the client's perspective.
And to be fair, we have most of the work done. We just need one more evening to finish.
That's a fair point too. Okay, let's keep it on Thursday and we finish it tonight.
Perfect. Thank you for being flexible. That's a fair point. Use it when someone makes a good argument, even if you were on the opposite side.
It makes you sound mature, professional, and easy to work with. People really appreciate this phrase. Phrase 6. I didn't mean it like that.
Phrase number 6, I didn't mean it like that.
Oh, we all need this phrase. So you use it when something you said was misunderstood, when someone took your words in the wrong way and you need to clarify what you actually meant.
It is an important phrase for avoiding small conflicts and misunderstandings. In any language, words can be taken the wrong way, and this phrase helps you fix that quickly.
You can follow it with what I meant was to explain yourself clearly.
For this one, I say something that comes out wrong and Lucy reacts. You know, Lucy, you look really tired today.
Wow. Thank you, Tom. Very kind.
Wait, no. I didn't mean it like that. I just meant you seem like you have had a really long week.
What I heard was, you look terrible.
That is not what I meant at all. What I meant was, you seem like you could use a rest. You have been working so hard.
Okay, fine. I appreciate that. But maybe choose your words a little more carefully next time.
Lesson learned, everyone.
I didn't mean it like that. Use it when your words came out wrong and you need to quickly correct the misunderstanding.
And always follow up with what you actually meant. That is the most important part.
Phrase 7. It slipped my mind. Phrase number 7. It slipped my mind.
So this means, I forgot. But it is not just any kind of forgetting. It means it was in your mind at some point, and then it quietly disappeared without you realizing.
It is a very natural and conversational way to say you forgot something. And importantly, it does not sound like an excuse. It sounds honest.
You can use it for appointments, tasks, messages, birthdays, anything you were supposed to remember but did not.
For this one, Tom forgot something important. Tom, did you send that email to the team about Friday's schedule?
Oh no. Lucy, I am so sorry. It completely slipped my mind.
Tom, I reminded you this morning.
I know. I had 3 calls back to back and it just slipped my mind. I will send it right now.
Please do. People need time to prepare.
Absolutely, I am so sorry. It won't happen again. It slipped my mind. A natural, honest way to say you forgot something.
You can also say, it completely slipped my mind, to show it was a total accident, like Tom did there. Phrase 8. I'm on the fence about it.
Phrase number 8. I'm on the fence about it.
I love this expression. So, on the fence means you are undecided. You can see both sides of something, and you have not made up your mind yet.
Imagine a fence dividing two sides. You are sitting right on top, not on one side, not on the other. You are in the middle, unsure which way to go.
It is great for opinions, decisions, plans, anything where you genuinely feel uncertain.
For this one, Lucy is trying to make a big decision and she wants my opinion.
Tom, I have been thinking about applying for that new position at work, the senior role.
Oh, wow, that is exciting. Are you going to go for it?
Honestly, I'm still on the fence about it. Part of me is really excited about the challenge.
And the other part?
The other part is worried about the extra responsibility and the longer hours.
That makes sense. But from what I have seen, you are more than ready for it.
Thank you, Tom. I'm still a little on the fence, but I think I am leaning towards yes. I'm on the fence about it. Use it when you genuinely cannot decide and you see good reasons on both sides.
It is much more expressive and interesting than just saying, I don't know. It tells people exactly where your head is.
Phrase number 9, at the end of the day.
So this phrase does not literally mean at the end of the day, like 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening.
No. At the end of the day means when everything is considered, when all is said and done, the most important truth is this. It introduces your final and most important point.
Native speakers use it to wrap up an argument or to cut through all the details and get to the core of something.
For this one, Tom and I are discussing a complicated situation and we are trying to reach a conclusion.
I know the project had a lot of problems. The timeline was too short, the budget was tight, and communication between the teams was not great.
I agree, there were a lot of challenges. But at the end of the day, we delivered. We met the deadline and the client was happy.
That is true. At the end of the day, the result is what matters most.
Exactly. We can learn from the problems. But we should also recognize that the team worked really hard and got it done.
At the end of the day, that is what a good team does. At the end of the day, use it to introduce your most important or final point after all the details have been discussed.
You will hear this one constantly in meetings, debates, and everyday conversations. It is very, very common. Phrase 10. Don't get me wrong.
And our final phrase, phrase number 10, don't get me wrong.
This is such an important phrase. So we say, don't get me wrong, before we say something that might sound negative, to make sure the other person understands we are not being rude or critical.
It is a way of protecting your meaning before you even say it. Like a little warning, I'm about to say something honest, but please don't misunderstand me.
It is often followed by a positive statement first, and then the honest or critical comment. Or the other way around, the honest comment first, then don't get me wrong to soften it.
For the final phrase, I am going to give my honest opinion about something and use this phrase to keep it kind. Lucy, can I be honest with you about something?
Of course. What is it?
I read the first draft of your report and don't get me wrong, the content is really strong and your research is excellent.
But
the structure is a little hard to follow. The main argument gets a bit lost in the middle.
no, that is genuinely helpful feedback. Don't get me wrong, I knew something felt off. I just couldn't identify what it was.
I think if you reorganize the middle section, it will be really impressive.
Thank you for telling me honestly. I would rather know now than after I submit it. Don't get me wrong. Use it when you want to be honest, but you also want to make sure the other person knows you are coming from a good place.
It keeps conversations respectful, warm, and honest all at the same time. And that is all 10 phrases. You made it to the end. Well done.
Let's do our final review. Tom, the phrase. Me, the meaning. Let's go.
Number 1. I was just about to.
Something was going to happen in the very next moment.
Number 2. It's not really my thing.
I don't particularly enjoy this, said politely.
Number 3. Now that you mention it.
What you said just triggered a thought or memory I hadn't considered.
Number 4. I can't quite put my finger on it.
I sense something, but I cannot exactly identify what it is.
Number 5. That's a fair point.
Your argument is reasonable and I acknowledge it.
Number 6. I didn't mean it like that.
My words were misunderstood. Let me clarify.
Number 7. It slipped my mind.
I forgot. It just quietly disappeared from my memory.
Number 8. I'm on the fence about it.
I am undecided. I can see both sides.
Number 9. At the end of the day.
When everything is considered, here is the most important truth.
And number 10. Don't get me wrong.
I'm about to say something honest. Please don't misunderstand my intention.
Beautiful. Now, your challenge. Pick 2 of these phrases and use them in a real conversation today.
Just 2. You will be surprised how naturally they fit into everyday situations.
If this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with someone who is working on their English.
We will see you in the next lesson. Keep pushing. You are doing brilliantly.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.